In this lesson, you'll obtain, evaluate, and communicate information about water on Earth. You'll also discover patterns in the locations of liquid water and frozen water. Let's look back at the video you saw earlier in the lesson. Do you think there is more water on Earth's surface or more land? In this activity, you'll color a world map to compare how much land and water are on Earth's surface. To carry out this investigation, you'll use a ruler, along with green and blue crayons or colored pencils. To complete this activity, you'll use a model of Earth to determine the amount of water and land on Earth's surface. Before you begin, make a prediction. Is Earth's surface covered with more land or water? Take a moment to share your prediction with your classmates, then select Continue. Use a ruler to draw a grid of squares on the world map. Your grid lines should be 1 inch apart. When you finish your grid, select Continue. Next, color the squares on the map. If the square is mostly water, then color it blue. If the square is mostly on a continent or land, color it green. Select Continue after you finish coloring your grid. Look carefully at the squares that are only partly colored blue or green. These are the squares near the edges of your map. If you color half or more of the square, then include it in your count. Now count the number of green squares and blue squares. Record your answers in your data table. When you finish, select Continue. Now that you've finished collecting data, take some time to communicate your findings. Use your data to complete the Communicate Information section.